Good morning, South Effingham Elementary. This is Miss Hall with a few words of wisdom. I want you to stop for a moment and imagine someone giving you a big, warm smile. Not a phony baloney smile, but a real smile where the eyes twinkle and crinkle in the corners. Do you have that picture in your mind? Now ask yourself this. How does it feel to be given a big, warm smile? Do you feel cared about? Do you feel good inside? Do you feel as if someone likes you just the way you are? A big smile can tell people that you like them, or that you care about them, or that you think they're nice to be with. Start right now to make the world a better place. Be generous with your smiles. It's something to think about. This is Miss Hall. Be responsible, be respectful, be safe, and stay Mustang strong. Make it a great day. Or not, the choice is yours. Brought to you by Project Wisdom, helping students make wiser choices.